Hi, everybody. Welcome. It's Megan from Northwest Myofunctional Therapy, founder, orofacial myofunctional therapist, and also the co host of the Munch Bunch Myo podcast. Today, I wanted to chat with you guys about our vision and our mission statement and our mantra, and really kind of break it down for you of what we really are working towards with our patients here at Northwest Myo. So if you guys have seen our website, it's orofacial-myology.com, and right as you pull up that home screen, you'll see transformation through sustainable habits. And as you scroll down, you'll see that at our practice, we teach our patients how to breathe. And you may be saying, well, duh, that's kind of why we're here, right? But I've broken down breathe even a little bit further. And I want to talk through each step of the way and what that really means to us, and what we are trying to do for our patients. So, breathe. All right. The B in breathe is one of our first goals of myofunctional therapy, and that's being able to breathe through your nose. Being able to breathe through your nose is crucial to your ability to be able to rest and digest. The nose filters out any of the gunk that comes in. We get nitric oxide coming into play. Everything gets moistened, and the oxygen that gets absorbed into our system is crucial for brain health, for physical health, for sleep health. You have to breathe through your nose in order to really be your healthiest self. And so our job is to help you figure out how to do that, whether it's because you're stuffed up, you have chronic infections, you have tonsil and adenoid issues, you have airway obstructions, or maybe it's just not a habit for you, and that's okay too. Our job, number one, is to help you breathe through your nose, breathe easy, breathe well. We know that when you breathe through your nose, your body absorbs anywhere from 18 to 20% more oxygen into the bloodstream. More oxygen, the better, in my in my opinion. You need oxygen to survive, right? So I joke with patients all the time. I mean, it's a half joke, but here's the deal. If you can't breathe through your nose, you're going to breathe through your mouth. If you can't breathe through your mouth or your nose, guess what's going to happen, right? And you'll die, just in case you're wondering. So we have to be able to breathe. And for some people, they've just been breathing to survive. And what I want is for you to breathe to thrive. And so that is the B. All right. R is resting your tongue comfortably in the roof of your mouth. So the tip of the tongue gets a lot of fame, you guys. That's what a lot of us learned about in the very beginning. That's what a lot of people still talk about. But it's not just about the tip of the tongue being up behind those top front teeth. It's the whole tongue being fully up into the roof of the mouth, creating a seal with the soft palate, being a retainer for your upper jaw, being the support system for your jaw joint, helping to drain out your sinuses through that pressure. We also know there's some cranial nerve, some vagus nerve stimulation that can happen when we swallow correctly, when our tongue's up. Okay. And so having that tongue fully up in the roof of the mouth is crucial. Next, we want you to be able to eat, drink, chew, and swallow correctly. So, we're the first three goals that we talk about: breathing through the nose, lips sealed together, tongue fully up in the roof of the mouth. Those are the things that you're going to do when you're at rest. And so what about when you're active? What about when you're talking? What about when you got spit everywhere? What about when you are drinking, right? So then actively, when we're eating, drinking, chewing, swallowing, speaking, we need to do those things correctly too. We want to aid in your digestion. We want to take pressure off of these other muscles that can cause pain, that can cause your teeth to move. A tongue thrust, low tongue posture can move your teeth around. I've had patients be in braces 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That's the record, 5 times, because we're not swallowing correctly. Okay. A, always keep your lips sealed. So that lip seal that I already kind of alluded to, lips gently closed together, sealed, without clenching, without grimacing anywhere, without pulling from the neck, resting at ease nicely together. Okay. transform your health through sustainable habits. How many times have you tried to do something new? Tried a new habit, tried to make a change, tried to have this new goal and maybe didn't follow through or was really intense about it for a short period of time, but we actually didn't see those long term habits transform. We haven't didn't see that change long term. I know I'm guilty of that. Trying to go to bed at a bedtime or getting up early or drinking enough water in the day, right? Your gym routine, certain, diets that you may choose. It's easy to fail if we don't set up the right environment, if we don't set up the right support, the right accountability. And so, myofunctional therapy, we're your team, we're your teammate, we're your coach, we're your cheerleader. We wear every hat that you can possibly think of. And our job is to actually help you transform your health and your symptoms into lifelong sustainable habits and changes. So, this doesn't just stick with you during our treatment time, but it sticks with you for life. And H. All right. So, healing the root cause of your symptoms and embracing the journey. So, I can't tell you how many times people have come to me. They've tried everything under the sun. They've had this person tell them they need this person they need that, this person they have to pay this amount of money to, this person gave them this night guard, this person gave them this sleep breathing machine. And those all can be really helpful tools, but they might not be the root cause of why we're having dysfunction in the first place. We need to look at things structurally. We need to look at things functionally. We need to look at your habits and your behaviors. And then we need to figure out what you're doing really well, but then also where we can come in and collaborate and really help you grow and change and actually get to the root cause of why this dysfunction happened in the first place, why you're having these symptoms, and not just give you a band aid approach. Myofunctional therapy can be the root cause solution to all the band aid treatments that you've been given over the years. Kicking the can down the road doesn't work for me anymore. We've got to get to the why and how can we help. Last but not least, E. All right. Evolve your habits to create optimal health and normal function. And that's really the root of what we do, you guys. Our job is to help you create long term habits, make these changes, reach those four goals: breathing through the nose, lips sealed together, tongue up, chewing, swallowing. That is the root of function and optimal health. And for whatever reason along the way, our bodies got off track, our habits got off track, we've snowballed, we've had bigger symptoms, our compensations start happening, and we don't always know the root cause of the issues. And so finding people who are into getting to the root cause, actually figuring out the whys and not just, well, this is just what we do, it can actually help evolve your habits, help create that optimal health that we're looking for. When your body works the way that it's designed to, it wants to keep working that way. It doesn't want to struggle. It doesn't want to just get by every day because it has to. It wants to be able to thrive. It wants to be able to be in normal, optimal function in order to really help you be the best version of yourself. And so we don't just teach people exercises here. We don't just go through the book, go through the motions. We really partner with you. And our job is to help you breathe and really help you transform through those sustainable habits. We're your teammates, we're your partners. We're with you every step of the way of the journey. And so hopefully that made you feel a little inspired, supported. We are here to support you. We are here to be here for you. And if you resonated with this video, if you liked it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the stuff over here. Find us on social media and get in touch with us. Click the link below. Check out our website. Learn more about how we really want to be able to help you. So we'll see you guys next time, and can't wait to chat with you more. All right.